again with another video.
Nasty.
I'm back again. Today is beach day. Woohoo! We're going to the beach. Get out the house today. And also today is my mother-in-law's birthday, so we're just gonna go have a beach day and chill by the water. So come join us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and leave a comment. See you soon. Let's find the beach chair. Go that way to the left. That looks, look at these cups. These cups look nice. Bathing suits over there. The chairs be back here. They right here. I know my Walmart. You heard me? I know my Walmart. I'm right over there. Yep. We need some chairs. They're the cheap ones, but it's okay. It's still gonna do what it needs to do. Can I get a different color? Can I stand out and get a different color? That's the only other color. That's why I got a vest.
I don't even need that. Come.
I'm gonna be extra strong today.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why I got the cart. Because you don't want the cart. You don't need no towel. They're $3.54 for a towel. No, it's enough towels.
Yeah, my mother got her own towel.
They got beach towels this year though.
Good.
Take it easy on them because those are cheap ones. You should have seen how much the folded ones costed though. Oh look, $5.98 for that one. These is $4.
Who wanted a towel?
The girls to sit on.
For what? Two? This one?
Get some pink and orange.
This is good. I don't like it.
It's the girls.
You got other towels for them.
These are nice. See, you didn't even give me time to look yesterday. Because I need a new one. See. So, time to go get the girls, get them dressed, pick them up from grandma's, and head to the beach. See you in the next clip. This way, come on. Let's get in the car. This way. Yes, this way, come on. Let's get to the beach. Nevaeh, come on. Sahara ready to go, right? You ready to go? Okay, wait, baby. It's cold. No. Want to touch it? Touch it. Nevaeh. I said your name in the sand, Mommy. Don't eat it. Let's put our hands in the water. Nevaeh. Have fun today? Yeah. First time at the beach. Yeah. Come boil this way. Come on. Boil this way. Ready? Let's go. Ready, Royal? Let's go. Let's get some food. We are tired. We had a long day. It's been fun. Beach day was great. Grab some food and then go home, take showers and baths, and go to bed. Right? Go home, take a shower and a bath, and go to bed. Right? You ready to go to bed?